Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice math problem, which is 9 to power 5 plus 9 to power 4 plus 9 to power 3 plus 9 to power 2 plus 9 to power 1. So solution to this, we can express 9 to power 5 as 9 to power 4 plus 1 plus 9 to power 4, then plus 9 to power 3 can be expressed as 9 to power 2 plus 1. If you say 9 to power 2 plus 1 is the same thing as 9 to power 3. Then plus 9 to power 2 plus 9 to power 1 is the same thing as 9. The next step here, 9 to power 4 plus 1, this is in the form of a to power n plus m, which you can express as a to power n multiplied by a to power m. So applying this exponent property, then we'll have here 9 to power 4 times 9 to power 1 plus 9 to power 4, then plus, now we have 9 to power 2 plus 1. So applying this exponent property, because it is in the form of a to power n plus m, so let's transform it in this form. So here you will have 9 to power 2 times 9 raised to power 1 plus 9 to power 2 plus 9. Now the next step from here, we have that 9 to power 4 is common here. So let's factor out 9 to power 4. So that here we have 9 to power 1, which is 9. Now plus 1, because of this 9 to power 4, because you see 9 to power 4 divided by 9 to power 4 is equal to 1. Then plus, here we have 9 to power 2 is common. We factor out 9 to power 2. So here we have 9 plus 1. Then plus this 9. The next step here, we have 9 to power 4 into the bracket here. This is 9 plus 1, this is 10, plus 9 to power 2. Then we say 9 plus 1, this is again equal to 10, then plus 9. Now we can express 9 to power 4. This is the same thing as 9 to power 2 plus 2 into the bracket multiplying by 10 plus 9 to power 2 multiplying by 10, then plus 9. Now 9 raised to power 2 plus 2, this is in this form, is in the form of 8 to power n plus m. Now let's transform it in this form. So this is the same thing as 9 to power 2 times 9 to power 2 multiplying by this 10, then plus 9 to power 2 multiplying by 10, then plus 9. Now, the next step from here, we have 9 to power 2 times 9 to power 2. Remember, we have transformed from here. This is 9 to power 2 plus 2, which is the same thing as 9 to power 2 times 9 to power 2 times 10 plus 9 to power 2 multiplying by 10 plus 9. So here we can factor out 9 to power 2, so that here we'll have 9 to power 2 plus 9 to power 2 here is 1, because this is 9 to power 2 divided by 9 to power 2, this is 1, then multiplied by 10, then plus this 9. So 9 squared, this is equal to 81. Then 9 squared, this is 81 plus 1 multiplied by 10, then plus 9. So we can express 81. 81 is the same thing as 80 plus 1. 81 plus 1, this is 82. So this is the same thing as 80 plus 2. Then all this multiplied by 10, then plus 9. Now the next step here is to let 80 be equal to x. Let's express 80 as x. So let's substitute x here. So this is the same thing as x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 2. All this multiplied by 10, then plus 9. So let's expand this equation. This is the same thing as x times x, which is x squared, plus x times 2, this is plus 2x, then plus 1 times x, this is x, then plus 1 times 2, this is 2, all this multiplying by 10, then plus 9. So let's proceed. Now here we have x squared plus 2x plus x plus 2, everything multiplying by 10 plus 9. So this is x squared plus 2x plus x, this is 3x plus 2. Now everything here multiplying by 10, then plus 9. Now, if you recall here, we're saying that let x be equal to 80. So let's substitute this value of x, which is 80 here. So this is the same thing as 80 squared plus 3 times 80 plus 2 multiplying by 10, then plus 9. So this is the same thing as 80 squared, this is 6400, then plus 80 times 3, this is 240, then plus 2. Now everything here multiplying by 10, then plus 9. So this is the same thing as 6400 plus 240, then plus 2. So this is the same thing as 2. Here 0 plus 4, this is 4. 4 plus 2, this is 6. Then we drop this 6 here. So now we have 6642 multiplying by 10, then plus 9. So this is the same thing as 6642. This will be 66,420 plus 9. So that now here we will have 0 plus 9, this is 9. Then you drop this 2 here. Then you'll have 4 and then 6 here. So now we have the solution as 66,429. So this is the solution to this math problem without using the calculator. So kindly follow the steps, like this video and subscribe. Please subscribe. Like this video and subscribe.